Quick biology, cardiac cycle, let's go. First of all, you gotta get your heart anatomy down. Know the blood flow all the way from the vena cava into the aorta. And a special focus has to go on your heart valves. Know the right tricuspid and the left bicuspid or mitral are your atrioventricular valves. And the aortic valve on the left and the pulmonary valve on the right are your semilunar valves. Pivotal for exams is to know that the cardiac cycle is completely controlled by pressure gradients. We always want to move down a pressure gradient. So the difference in pressure between your atria and your ventricles and your ventricle and your arteries is going to determine when valves open and close and how the blood is going to flow in the cycle. Now we can get into our 3 stages of the cardiac cycle. Remember, systole means contraction, diastole means relaxation. So we've got atrial systole, atrial contraction, ventricular systole, ventricular contraction, and then cardiac diastole, the whole heart relaxes. And final thing, and the one that the examiners absolutely love, is this pressure graph. Measured, you can analyze it and explain why valves open and close. For example, when pressure in the ventricle exceeds pressure in the artery, we want to go down the pressure gradient into the arteries, so we force blood through those semilunar valves. When pressure in the artery now is greater than pressure in the ventricle again, those semilunar valves close to prevent the backflow of blood. Very important that you can be able to describe those changes in an exam. That was quick biology. Hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.